More controversy as far as Sachin's retirement is concerned. Former Pakistani captain Javed Miandad now has contributed his two-bit on the raging debate on whether Sachin Tendulkar should hang up his boots or at least give a retirement roadmap. Now, barring his 100th international turn, Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar has of course been struggling for form for well over a year now. His poor form became a hot topic of debate in the last Test series against New Zealand at home when he was bowled out in all three innings. Now, it was not the bowl out, but the manner of the dismissal that triggered extreme reactions from fans and critics alike, with experts questioning his slow reflexes, footwork and attributing advancing years as the reason behind his recent debacles. Now, earlier, Pakistani former captain Imran Khan had suggested something similar in regard to the maestro's form and retirement. Though putting the onus on Tendulkar to himself on deciding when to call it a day, Imran Khan had added that he shouldn't be at the mercy of selectors and asked Tendulkar to quit international cricket when he was on a high.
He should go with respectful. कहेंगे उनकी अपनी एक विश होती है या एक अपनी है कि वो चाहते हैं, तो मगर प्लेयर को भी सोचना चाहिए. अगर मैं समझता मेरे अंदर 1 साल की 2 साल की क्रिकेट थी तो मैंने एक पहले छोड़ा, वो इसलिए कि नहीं, लेट्स अच्छे टाइम पे जाए ताकि आप याद रहोगे. जब आप निकाले जाओ और उस वक्त जाओ, वो बात नहीं रहती.
All right, Javed Miandad actually making quite a point there that you don't have to hang on till the very end. Even if you have a year or two of cricket in you, you can actually quit. That is what he did. Nikhil Chopra now joins us for more on this story. Nikhil, just take us through that statement of Miandad that is coming our way, that you should quit when you're on a high. You should quit even if you have a year or two of cricket in you. Is that a mantra that Sachin Tendulkar might want to follow or not at all?
I don't think so. I don't think so that Tendulkar would be following that sort of mantra. Tendulkar still feels that his desire is there, the flame is burning, the passion is right on top, the love for the game is there. That's why he's continuing to play. Otherwise, he's achieved whatever there was to achieve in the world of cricket. You look at the number of runs that he's got, 100 hundreds, nobody has ever done that. The number of test matches he's played, the number of ODIs that he's played. And he's looking to go out there and simply play because the passion is there, and he's helping to rebuild the side. Don't forget, there is no Dravid, there is no Lakshman, there are a couple of youngsters who are still trying to find their feet in international test match cricket. Okay. That's why he wants to spend some time out there.
And just take us through exactly what could the selectors do at this position, because it is a delicate situation. We understand this is Sachin Tendulkar, but would the selectors be also forced to take some decision keeping in mind the recent form, or would they be within their rights to say, look, we have to take into account what has happened over the past few months and then take a decision, and that would be very, very embarrassing then in that case?
Well, see, the selectors have all the right. At the end of the day, they are picking a team for the national team. So in the interest of the country, they've been given a job. But Tendulkar, going by his track record, knowing him personally, Akash, make no mistake about it, if there's an iota of doubt over Tendulkar feels that he's ever going to be a liability on the Indian team, before that day comes, Tendulkar, he himself will hang up his boots. At this moment of time, he still feels there's a lot there is to offer for the team, in the interest of the team, for the youngsters. That is why he's continuing. And you're absolutely right. If the selectors have got to take that call, they would probably take a call or they'd stick to the master. But I don't think the day has come where the selectors need to go out there and speak to Tendulkar, because there's still a lot that the young man can go out there and offer. Sorry, not young man, a senior pro that he is.
That's the whole point. That's the whole point. Is he still a young man or not? Let me put that question. Nikhil, just hang in there because I want to put that question to Sundar.